while the money's good in everything that we do here, the really, really crazy money is in the flooring, whether it's metal illusion, which we'll talk about later, or just the troweled coatings. I'm going to talk specifically about a slate, a random slate, because everybody seems to like it, no matter where you're at and things like that. It breaks down easily for costing. So if we're doing a random slate, and a lot of places in the country, they're getting $6, $7, $8 a square foot for this type of a product. Here locally in Phoenix, we get less than that. We get about $5. But still, even at $5, I'm going to break out a job that's 1,000 square feet. So we've got 1,000 square feet at $5. There's our 5,000, okay? Pretty easy to figure out. Now, when you're troweling this type of a texture, you're going to end up getting about 120 square feet per 50-pound bag. So we're going to figure a 20% waste factor. So we're going to use 10 bags. And with shipping, the cost varies in what part of the country you're in. But just to make numbers even, we're going to say that that's going to be $25 a bag. So we've got $250 out of there. Now, to mix 10 bags, because the mix on the resin is 2 quarts of resin and 3 to 4 quarts of water, you're going to need to have 1 resin to mix your 10 bags. So we're going to figure in 1 resin. And just to keep things simple, we're going to say that that's $250. Okay? So we've got that there. And we've got some tape. We're going to need probably 10 rolls of tape. We'll call that $75 or so for the tape. We're going to need some sealer. And to do 1,000 square feet, we're likely to use about 1.5 sealers. So I'm going to just because we might have spilt one or whatever, I'm going to say 2. So let's just say that we've got 2 sealers at $200 a piece. So we got $400 in that. And then we've got some tape, some disposables like paper and things like that, and color. So let's just say that between those two, we've got another $75. All right, and then we've got labor. Now, I would expect that you could easily accomplish 1,000 square feet of this type of a product in 2 days with 3 guys. So we're going to cost that. So we've got 2 guys, or 3 guys, 2 days, that's 6, and we'll times 8, that's 6 times 8 is 48 hours. And let's just factor in, to make it real simple, about $20 on an average, because we could call an overhead load. So that comes up to be 48 times 20 is 960. Let's just keep it simple and call it 1,000 in labor, okay? And if you were on that, obviously you'd be getting paid too. Obviously, if you're paying your guys less than $20 an hour, then that number would be lower. But just let's add this up here. We got 250, there's 650, 1,050, 2,050. So your total job cost on that is going to be 2,050, and you've got 5,000 you just took in. So without you even showing up on a project, you've just made $3 grand in 2 days. That's great money.